Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook glory canned collard greens. First, drain your canned collard greens completely, then rinse them well under cool water for about 1 minute. This essential step removes excess sodium and ensures a cleaner, brighter flavor for your finished dish. Next, finely dice 1 small onion and mince 1 large clove of garlic. These fresh aromatics will build a foundational flavor for your delicious greens. To deepen the flavor, consider adding a smoked turkey wing or a couple of slices of bacon, rendered until crispy, to your pot. If using bacon, remove it, leaving about 2 tablespoons of rendered fat in the pan. Sauté your diced onion and minced garlic in this fat until softened and fragrant, which takes about 3 to 4 minutes. This aromatic base is crucial for truly flavorful greens, creating a rich and inviting aroma. Now, add your rinsed collard greens to the pot with the sautéed aromatics. Pour in about 1/2 cup of chicken or vegetable broth, or even water if you prefer. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and allow the greens to cook slowly for at least 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. This slow simmer allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together perfectly. After simmering, taste your collard greens and adjust the seasoning as needed. You might want a pinch more salt, some freshly ground black pepper, or a splash of apple cider vinegar for brightness. For a delightful smoky finish, crumble any crispy bacon back into the pot. Serve your flavorful collard greens warm as a hearty side dish, perhaps alongside some cornbread, for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy your perfectly cooked greens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.